Hi, some fam. Hi, some fam. I know that you guys haven't heard or seen me in a little while. Well, I mean, I haven't been posting videos consistently like I used to, but that's because I'm busy right now. But I'm still trying to give you guys a little something until I'm not so busy again. So, today I'm trying to see if I can do a day in my life video. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Right now, I'm at the park. I'm going to see if I can do a little bit of walking, to keep my energy going and to keep active at least, because being at home for most of these times with lockdown and everything, you basically have a sedentary lifestyle and you're not keeping active, and you need to get the blood pumping. So I'm at the park. I'm going to walk, and yeah, today I should be going to the dentist, so I'll try to take you guys with me, and I'll probably go and grab lunch after or something, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, remember to like this video, share, comment and subscribe, and I love you guys. I'm actually at the park. I don't know if you guys can see, but the moon is kind of out still, and it's about 8 o'clock now. So this is really nice. I think this is going to take a nice picture. I'm going to actually capture one. But yeah, I'm going to walk. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but this is a speedometer. Like, I have it for a while, but I've never really used it before. But not even a focus. But yeah, I'm going to use it while I'm walking and see how much calories and them things I'm gonna burn. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I actually do love nature. Like, I think nature does so much for my mental health, and so I like coming to the park and seeing the scenery. Look at that beautiful view behind me. Yes, and hear the birds chirping and all of these lovely things. So that's my kind of a thing. So I'm going to put in a little walk right now, because I never come to park for content creation really. That wasn't my aim today. It was to get in a little exercise, keep the blood pumping. Yeah, you can see it's actually a nice view, and I don't know if you guys saw the statues behind me. Yeah, so I'm gonna start walking. Much people aren't here right now because it's late. I was actually supposed to come here from like 6 o'clock, but I never get to do that. As I know, girl tired, girl stay up late, girl had the things, so girl couldn't wake up 6 o'clock. I don't have an issue waking up early, because if you don't know me, you know say love sleep. So yeah, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to try walk fast because I don't have much time. My appointment for the dentist is at 10 o'clock, and it's after 8 now. I'm going to go back home and bed and get ready. So let's see if I can put a little pep in my step. The park is pretty much empty. Let's see if I can go over the fitness zone here. Guys, I'm in the fitness zone. So I'm try to record myself and see how that works. Anyways guys, I done my little exercise and I run a little errand right here, so yeah, and then go home. I get ready because I take my late now. Probably go and go make a smoothie and then bathe and get ready to go to the dentist. I'm gonna look at my hair, my eyebrow, them stay bad and them sort out, but girl not have no time. I see a man selling jelly. I see how much he must sell it for, and if I have enough money, can buy and wash off my heart and go home. Yeah, so yep, scrolling New Kingston City. Oh my days. Hello, how you sell your jelly? Morning. Huh? Eh? Want a nice one, you know, with enough meat and water and everything. You have to set me up good. What your name? What your name?
My name?
Kayan?
Kian. I-N-N. Yeah.
Just set me up, man. Oh God. The jelly up people.
Thank you.
That's my other on the mask. Anyways, I get the liquid jelly to wash off my heart. And him set me up real good. I get a nice big one. So guys, I'm now in a taxi. I'm kind of late. It's 4 minutes to 10, but I think I'll get there on time. You know, they called me before I leave if I could have come 11:30. I wish they had called earlier because I literally just rushed through everything for bed or up for reach at 10 o'clock. So I'll keep you guys posted and tell you how it goes. Guys, I made it. 10:01 now, so let's see what happens. Guys, I'm in the chair. They're gonna play R&B for me.
What it is, let the teeth prevent cavities. Okay. Alright, close.
Guys, I'm going to spin the wheel. Hopefully I get something. Spin again. Spin again. Oh God. I'm gonna get nothing.
You go.
Huh?
You did.
That's it?
You did. Alright, hold on.
Guys, I won a little goodie bag. I'm proud of myself. Guys, I'm finished at the dentist. Actually, I walk in a Fontana. Let's see if I can get a vitamin and fill a prescription. So guys, I'm in Fontana. I don't wanna. Guys, I'm in Fontana getting vitamins, really. So I'm waiting. Comment below if you want anything and I'll get it for you. Someone wants. Guys, I'm in Fontana doing perfume testing. My birthday coming up, so anybody want to get me a gift? Perfume must be on the list, so look out for my wish list. I think I get sprayed from my skin. I'm gonna have to take off my nose. So guys, I'm now at Brew'd awaiting. I just left from town now and I'm hungry because I never get to eat my breakfast this morning. Well, I never get the time to make the shake because I was in a rush to make my appointment for 10 o'clock. Now it's about 12:30, so I get in something to eat and then go home. I don't know, man. I want to see if I can get a pedicure today as well, but I don't know if it's possible. So I need to eat something. I did a fluoride treatment at the dentist and they're saying I shouldn't eat after in the next half an hour, but I think half an hour gone now, so when I get food to eat. So I ordered already. I ordered waffles and chicken, something like that, and a latte. So I'm waiting because it looks like them have a lot, so the wait time might be a while, so I'm just here sitting and yeah, by myself. I'm on a solo date, guys. I got the latte, but like I didn't want it to have the liquor something at the top where they make do, but you don't have the liquor razzle dazzle. The girls and everybody can do this, and you know me fully stressed out right now. But anyways, I'm still waiting on the food. Guys, it's almost 1 hour. I'm still away for the food. I'm hungry now. I'm hungry bad. I'm actually starving and I'm having a minor headache. It's now after 1. I'm gonna eat for morning. Also, and there are people that were before me that are still waiting, so I'm gonna get it for now. I just went in there and asked them and them said it's gonna take like 1 hour. As a matter of fact, when I came here, a lot of people was there. I never know so much people are getting here today. But I guess it's a Saturday, the last day before we go on the 1-day lockdown. So people out and I do whatever them can do. Yes, I'm at Brew'd awaiting in Leganini. Guys, finally get the food after an hour. The lady said she apologized and I could make my back coffee, so we'll see.
To tell you the truth, darling, the place did really rum stack, you know.
Yeah, so a lot of people in the game, but
Yeah, the rum stack and them did have a portion to order around here. But my sorry. Okay? Yeah.
I make me new coffee. This one can have a little bit better, but boy, starving. So me did I wait long. Me did actually video call my friend while I was waiting and scrolling on Instagram, well, social media. Boy, you see, hungry is not a nice thing, you know. Hungry is not a nice thing, and whenever I take long to eat, I get a headache, which was I was having a minor headache. And then if I did wait any longer, it would have triggered it off. long for little food, man. Anyways, if you guys want to go somewhere relatively inexpensive, you can come here. Just that you might have a long wait time, like me. But today's a weekend, and as I say, there's no movement in Jamaica for tomorrow, so I don't know if that contributed to the wait time. But yeah, and it's central, it's in Ligani, so you guys can definitely check them out. I should not promote them because I have to wait so long for my food. So guys, I'm finished eating now. I'm going to head home because my head hurt me now. Yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog because I don't think I'll have time to do anything else for today because time won't permit. It's about 2 o'clock now and I have to go home, and I wanted to get a pedicure but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Yeah, and I have a few more errands to run, but those shouldn't take me long, so I'm going to do them and go home and probably get a nap because see, anytime I take long to eat, my head hurts, and that's what is happening right now. So yeah, guys, I told you guys a lie. Currently I'm in Azan. Too much people in here. I need to forget when I get and go home because I really can't bother. Swears. I'm buying bulb. This is what adults in life comes to buy bulb. Room. Wonder if it's a very tight down. I saw the other one there on the side, look. Huh? Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace and fun.